This is one stunning piece.
And bloody sharp also. Damn.
Hey everyone! Kumusta na naman kayo dyan? At eto na naman tayo, may bagong blade na ipapakita. And this is a new build from JC Blades of Davao City. I make videos and posts sa YouTube purposely for storage sake. You know? These blades may stay with me, or they get sold, or they get given to other people. So this is my way of retaining a memory of the blades that I made. So here's another one that I like very much. Buksan natin. Yan. It's a bit oily. This is a kukri inspired knife. I don't know if it is appropriate to call it a kukri because hindi naman talaga sa atin sa Pilipinas galing itong kukri blades eh. So it's from Nepal. So nangungopia lang tayo. Probably it's more appropriate to call it a kukri inspired knife. Specs tayo, ang kanyang blade length ay nasa 8 inches and handle of 5 inches. Let's talk about the blade. And the blade is made of Molye 5160 spring steel. Ito naman ang pinaka-common na ginagamit na mga panday natin dito sa Pilipinas. Handle. Ito ay may hidden tang. Nakapaloob dito sa handle. So yan. Ang ginamit natin na material sa handle ay itong ostrich bone. Napakaganda na ostrich bone because it's just the right size para sa isang handle. Yung baka kasi ay parang napakalaki, yung kambing naman ay parang napakapayat naman para gawing handle ng knife. It's got a bolster made of Purple Heart wood. Ni-router ko lang ito para mapasok ko siya. And then sa butt cap niya ay meron siyang green resin, epoxy resin. Tinulayan ko ng green. May spacer na neon green and black. Gamit ko ay Kydex sheets. Mga scrap ko na Kydex. So, yan ang itsura niya. Sheet niya ay gawa sa leather. It's a two-tone composition. May white and brown parts. Ang ginawa ko I gave it some paintworks, paint job para magmukha siyang luma. Ganito lang kasi ang kulay niya. It's very plain na brown. So, ang ginawa natin, medyo dinumihan natin para magmukha siyang, aged, rustic, something like that. Kaya sabi ko, ito, yung pinaka-feature niya dito ay itong ostrich bone. I was given 2 ostrich leg bones, and yung isa ay ginamit ko sa mga knives. Pinagpuputol-putol ko at kung anong magawa ko na mga knives. So, ito sila. So, marami akong nagawa by utilizing one piece of leg bone. This one I intend to keep for myself. I like it. But if somebody gets interested and the offer is good, then, well, we'll see about that. Medyo mataas ang presyo natin lang dito because I'm using premium material. Saan ka naman basta-basta makahanap ng ostrich bone. Maswerte lang ako at may kaibigan na nagbigay ng 2 piraso. So, yeah, I will maximize the use of those. Siguro kung ibenta ko naman ay doon naman at a price na hindi rin tayo malugi sa effort and sa materials. So I think yun lang. This is a sharp one. Demo ba tayo sa sharpness? We'll see. Wala akong ibang papel. Karton lang. Definitely a sharp blade here. Yan. So yun, I think that's about it. Thank you for watching. And patuloy na pagsuporta sa channel natin sa Clam Sharp Stuff. At sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, click na yung subscribe button. And yun lang, happy lang. Wala naman tayong kinikita dito. It's just that I just wanna share about blades and other sharp stuff. Yeah, so stay safe everyone. Stay sharp.